Batangas BTS, Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. This is motor vessel precision. Do you read me loud and clear? Over.
Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Change channel 1 to over.
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. Channel change 16 to 12 over.
Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your ETA to find that service over? Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your call sign over?
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. My call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3 over.
Precision, this is Batangas BTS. What is your last port call and gross stowage over?
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. My last port call is Batangas Port Terminal and my gross tonnage is 23210 NT over.
Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Do you carry any dangerous good over?
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. Yes, we didn't carry any dangerous goods. On our cargo is pure iron ore. Over.
Precision, this is Batangas BTS. Your message is understood. You must call when you pass Virgin Islands on channel 12 over.
Batangas BTS. This is motor vessel precision. We will call you after we pass Virgin Island on channel 16 over.
Precision, this is channel 16 over.
Batangas BTS. We will stand by channel 16 over and out.